Hello everybody, tonight we have steamed lobster tail for dinner. Look at that, it is now in June 2020 in Singapore. It is day 2 of safe reopening and I'm still working from home, as I think many people still are. Well, nice, enjoy home cooked food. My wife bought these lobsters frozen from some stall that was delivered. Yep, and my very clever domestic helper cooked them using a recipe she uncovered from the internet. Steamed lobster tail. I don't have the recipe, but it certainly tastes awesome. And the rest of dinner: chicken, egg, fried wonton, some vegetables. Delicious home-cooked food right here in Singapore. Close up of the lobster tail. Very nice, juicy, chunky lobster. There's a photograph I took for my rice in the background. And oops, yeah, my half-eaten lobster tail. Just wanted to show you. Bye-bye.